we can make them deliveries for them where they don't have to stop and go get the supplies and stuff like that. You know, and they smaller guys, so you can get them to probably cash app you or something like that, and you can make a delivery for them. So I think it's a good idea. So anyway, this delivery was pretty smooth. It's only 12 o'clock, so I'm gonna go grab some lunch because I'm probably 10, 15, not even 15. I'm pretty sure I'm 10 minutes from my house. So I'm gonna go grab me some lunch while I look for another load. So this load was $65.37, and it was going 22.4 miles. I never